To use private browsing on an Android phone like this Samsung Galaxy here, first we'll open up Chrome. Then tap these three dots on the top right corner and look for New Incognito tab. Incognito is the private browsing mode in Chrome. It won't save any of your browsing history, searches, cookies, or website data. Basically, it hides your browsing history on your own device, but it doesn't make you completely invisible. Your IP address is still visible to the sites you visit. Your internet service provider can still monitor your traffic. And if you're using a school or company-issued device, their internal monitoring tools can still see your web traffic and the sites you visit. When in incognito mode, you can browse as usual and open multiple tabs. You can quickly switch back and forth between your regular tabs or tab groups and hop back into private browsing by tapping that spy-looking icon on the top. Once you're done, close your private tabs by tapping the little X, and you'll end up back with your normal browser tabs. And that's private browsing on your Android phone. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have questions, and take a look at my Android playlist for more easy guides like this.